dear partners and customers. I'm very excited to introduce our new partnership with General Electric. Of course, I don't need to introduce GE, one of the most famous industrial companies in the world. For us, these partnerships boost our industrial market expertise, a global reach, and experience scaling up businesses. I think it's really a transformative event for us, like when we decided to focus on land surveying in 2016, or when we decided to invest massively on LiDAR and data analytics technology in 2018, or more recently with the release of MDA's business model last year. The partnership with GE is the foundation to reach the next level of our development. We are today a leader in the professional drone surveying industry. We empower customers to digitally duplicate their natural and built environment. And we create data intelligence that enable them to predict and resolve complex real-life issues, increasing uptime, safety, and profitability. GE's choice of Microdrones as its exclusive UAV partner confirms that we have become a global leader in our field, offering unrivaled, reliable, and value-creating solutions to our industrial customers. The GE brand on our products makes it visible and credible for everyone. It also opens the door to more industry verticals that GE already services, and will unlock the potential of additional industrial applications. The first concrete illustration of this new partnership is the release of the new GE industrial drone line. This new line is based on our famous drone platform, the 1000, and comes with improved flight performances and enhanced safety features. We are also extending the MD LiDAR 1000 family. On top of the successful MD LiDAR 1000 HR, we are releasing in July the MD LiDAR 1000 LR, a longer range LiDAR combined with a photogrammetry grade camera, all in one, to cover more ground, meaning more efficiency than ever for our customers. This is a big win for both GE and Microdrones, and more importantly, for our mutual customers. The product range based on the 3000 continues to be sold under Microdrones brand and remains a key product of choice for expert customers who want the highest accuracy and precision. The collaboration with GE is a long-term one. We are and remain independent from GE, but GE joins our investor pool and has committed to continue to invest in the near future. Equally important, a GE representative has joined our board of directors in an observer role and will ensure that we fully benefit from GE's century-long strategic expertise in the management of our company. So it's all fantastic news for us, for our customers and partners. I'm looking forward to a very promising future as we all work together and offer a powerful and trusted IL digitalization solution to industrial professionals worldwide. Thank you.